You are going to love the 2011 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, passenger airbag, tachometer, privacy glass, trailer hitch receiver, engine hour meter. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.